You might be in a position where you want to go ahead and set any song as a ringtone on any iPhone without no computer, only using your iOS device. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now I will show you the whole process of how to put any song as your ringtone on any iPhone without a computer and paid programs. You can do it. First we should to install the GarageBand app. Open up your App Store, tap on search at the bottom right corner, tap on search bar and enter GarageBand. Here's it, just tap on GarageBand and install this app. This app is completely free, just install it. Now we should have a song that you want to customize and put as ringtone on your device. You should download any song to your files or from your Spotify or whatever you can do. Just download this song to your device. Alright, next step is find your downloaded GarageBand app and of course open it. But make sure that you have already downloaded the song that you want to set as a ringtone, because next steps we should have a song that we want to customize and put as a ringtone to your iPhone device. Alright, when you open it GarageBand, you should allow some different options and then swipe from right to left and find actually audio recorder. Then tap on voice here. Alright, what we need to do next, just tap on this icon, as you can see here is and you will see this next option. Then what we need to do first, just disable these functions. You can see here is a blue icon, just tap on this little icon and disable this function. Alright, now we should set how long will be our audio ringtone. Just tap on this little icon here at the almost top right corner and you will see section A. Tap on this section A, disable automatic. Here we should set 30, that means our ringtone will be 30 seconds. Then tap on done at the top right corner. As you can see, we added 30 seconds. Alright, now we should select our song. Just tap on this little icon, second last option at the top right, and here you will see bunch of stuff. You just tap on files, then tap on browse item from the file app, and here you just tap on browse and find your downloaded song. We should select only our downloaded songs that we want to change and customize to set as a ringtone. I just select mine, you select yours. Then press and hold on this song and put this song to our chord. Alright, now we can trim. Just press 2 times on song and then you can cut this video or trim. Just press and hold on any space of song, as you can see, and we can change this song. Alright, when you finish, now we should save this song. Just tap on the left side of the screen on this little icon and then tap on my songs. As you can see, we save it. Alright, if you wanted to change name of this song, we just press and hold on this song and then just tap on rename and enter your new name. For example, I write text and then tap on done. Next step, we press and hold on this our video and then scroll down and tap on share button and then select as a ringtone. See here says your ringtone length need to be adjusted and tap on continue. Then you should enter name again on this your song and then tap on export. Here says exporting as a ringtone and just we should wait some sec. Ringtone successfully and tap OK. Alright, we just go to our settings, open settings, scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics, then tap on ringtone. As you can see, here our song, and just tap on this song. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Life can be hard, but it's